Alright, so today's video we're gonna be installing the bumper, see how it fits with the hood. We got the bumper over here, I had grabbed it from my garage. And then we have the absorber. This is the top piece, the closeout panel that goes on the bumper on top, right over here. And then this is the grill. It's the same style of grill as my old one. And I'm probably gonna be replacing the badge or something with like a Hellcat logo on the end of it, if I do find one. But we're gonna install the grill to the bumper, we're gonna put the absorber on, and then check fitment, and then take everything back off. We're gonna also take the rear bumper back off, the tail lights, get everything ready for paint. So I'm gonna end up painting the whole car because regardless, I mean, most of the stuff has to get painted. Like if we're gonna fix this, you gotta blend the door in the quarter. If we're gonna paint the fender, you gotta blend this door. So it'll be just a cleaner job just to paint the whole car. And that's what we're gonna do now. Is that riveted on from the corners?
Yes.
All right. Oh, and I got that splitter too.
Yeah, we don't need that yet.
I got it at the house.
You want to get it painted, right?
Yeah, we'll make it black. I'm still debating on, see this part over here?
Yeah.
See, I'm an old one, we made it black.
Do it black.
Keep it black too?
Yeah.
I was gonna see if it's the same color as the car.
No, bro. Do it black. Pop out more, way more.
So what's first, installing the grill?
Yeah, the grill's first. I think we gotta pop it over from the side.
What's that?
Yeah.
There's another box. All right, so the grill's good to go. All you do is pop these tabs in, and then of course we're gonna take it back out to paint the bumper. Now next, we're gonna install this upper panel, and it's supposed to go through these smaller holes over here. Hey Zane, we're gonna rivet it down or just put some clips for temp?
Always wire this for you.
Huh?
Always wire this for you.
Oh, you got the fancy tool. Oh. I thought it goes in, I thought it slides through here.
It does. Last.
What's that?
It needs to, but the bumper's like a little bit. So we gotta, let me put it from there first. I'll slide it.
Okay. Pretty cool. That's just an attachment, or that's actually the whole gun?
It's the entire gun.
Oh. Damn. If I can find something with like the cat emblem on the end, that'd be sick. Where I install the bottom part? Oh, I didn't even get it with me.
Not the bottom part, but that absorber. I don't know, should we install it?
Yeah, just make sure, I guess.
Make sure that it lines up with the reinforcement. I think it just tilts
Those are rivets too?
No.
No. All right, so we're ready to go. We're gonna put it on the car, see how it lines up, and then take it back off and start stripping the front end. Put enough on my side. Oh, this bracket, we gotta replace it.
That one's messed up too.
I'll grab 2 of them.
Yeah.
All right, now close the hood.
Let me put 2 clips over there.
All right. I need 2 bumper brackets because these are bad. Moment of truth.
Looking good. Oh shit. It's too small. Bumper's too high from the center.
Bumper's too high?
Remember the last time?
Yeah. Yeah, but the gaps look pretty good. All right, so the gaps on the fenders are good. I mean, of course, we already seen that in the last video. But the problem is when you close the hood, which is not closing because it's hitting the bumper is higher than the hood. So now we're gonna try to lower the core support because that was already off before, see if it has any adjustment, and then put it back on, put the bumper back on and see if that works. So the bumper's off, now we gotta take off the headlights, and then the core support screws or bolts are right behind there. Got 2 there, 1 there, and the same thing on the other side. When I put it back on, I lined it up exactly with the spot.
Center?
Yeah, well, I mean, with the thing where the bolt was.
Okay.
But this one's kind of high, I can see it. See it?
Yeah.
Hopefully that makes a difference.
You wanna put 3?
Yeah, I couldn't find the last screw. There's a lock on it.
Yeah. Let's see if this works.
A screwdriver?
Yeah, it's right there.
Here.
Oh, I see you use that tape, huh?
The cloth one?
Yeah.
That's the best one. It feels like the factory one.
Yeah.
Oh, and I got the LED sign markers. I've been having those for like 4 months.
Me too. I think ones are up there.
Where?
There's
Oh, this
those
box?
boxes.
Yeah, I got this.
Going up.
No.
Yeah. You got an airbag sensor?
Is it?
Oh, you didn't put the airbag sensors on?
No. Come on, you're taking it back off anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all that salt.
Salt? You drove in the winter?
When I dropped it off, it was like the roads are still like snowy and stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I went to wash it out. I got the 2 right over there. You see how this one from the factory, I put it too high, so I gotta drop it down.
I think it's the lowest.
Hmm?
It doesn't have that much room for me.
On this side? You're not gonna tighten it back, right? We're gonna put the bumper on first?
No, drop it down and I'll tighten it.
Oh. So we tried to drop it as much as possible. It didn't move that much, to be honest, but now we're gonna put the headlights back on and then put the bumper on and see if that made a change. If not, then we gotta work something else out because it's still too high from the hood. Should I clip it or just leave it like that?
We'll finish it from the top first.
Alright. Moment of truce. Like even without closing the hood, that kind of, it does look high, right? Or that's how it's supposed to be.
That's how I'm gonna put the clips right here so we'll push that down.
All right.
The gap is like a little bigger now. It's enough. Oh,
So it's bigger, is it a good way or a bad way?
no, it's better, yeah. Because earlier it was tight like that.
Mm-hmm.
And when it's closed, it should be a good gap. It's not closing.
So the only thing we have to do is adjust the latch. We have to make the holes bigger, bring it up so the hood could close. And now, that's good. And by not touching, we didn't even sand anything yet. It's pretty decent. We have to make the gap even on the other side. Same thing with the front. But this is gonna come out, Zane, right? Does it have to pop off a little bit? Like the bumper doesn't come out, or this is
No, this is
so we gotta sand it down.
We gotta sand the hood down.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Everything locks up, everything's good. But now you said we're not gonna take it back out until you're done sanding it down.
Yeah, it needs a lot of body work on the hood. You can see the edges, they rolled down.
Yeah.
So it needs to be flattened out. And this right here. It's too high.
And this has come down too a little bit.
Yeah. Either we're bringing
It's
it
not
down.
bad.
Yeah. Either we're bringing it down or sand the hood.
Bring the thingy down, the adjuster.
It looks pretty good.
Yep. All right, so before we end the video, we're gonna take off the tail lights so we can remove the rear bumper because we got this groove that slides into the tail light. And then we're gonna strip it down and get this one ready for paint. And the front one is already ready, so that's it. I should never put this on if I knew we were gonna do that.
Take off your plate. Leave this on. Take off your plate.
You know what we gotta do towards the end? Remember how when the silver one finished and we did that wipe down on the emblem?
Yeah.
We gotta do the same thing on the same spot.
Yeah.
Huh?
Take this fit 200.
No, let's first get it.
Anything fit on there?
That's it. Bumper's bare and it's ready for paint. Now we're gonna pull it out and then I'm gonna wash the whole undercarriage with all the salt and dirt and stuff. And I'll blow it out with compressed air so we'll get ready for paint. Parts just to be safe. Same thing with the front. There was a lot of like salt and dirt buildup because it has no liners, but now we should be good. But this is gonna be it for today. Next time we're back here, we're gonna strip the doors, sand all this down, make the linings and the gaps even,